In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete TikTok video. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, let's open TikTok very fast. Now, when you open TikTok, you will see 5 buttons at the very bottom. I want you to concentrate or focus on the button to the far right with the human symbol. Underneath it is written profile. Just tap on it. Then you will see all your videos. Now I want you to tap on the video that you want to delete. In my case here, I want to delete the first video at the very top. What do? I'll tap on the 3 dots. Make sure you follow every step here so don't make any mistake, okay? The 3 dots. Then I want you to scroll here. Just scroll until you see this delete icon or button. Just tap on it. Then you can be asked to delete or re-edit, but I want to delete it entirely, okay? Now I've deleted the video. If you go back here, you see that the video has been deleted from TikTok. So this is how you can delete a TikTok video that you don't want to appear on your profile. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this because it really motivates me to make more content. Thank you.